Hi, Richard from Total Parts Plus here. Today we have a 2010 Hyundai iX35, stock reference number 5743. This shape ran from the 11th of 2009 to the 9th of 2013. It has a D4HA 2-litre 4-cylinder turbo diesel engine backed by an auto all-wheel drive transmission. Here we have our D4HA 2-litre 4-cylinder turbo diesel engine. We have a good tyre on a factory alloy mag rim, 17-inch. Left-hand mirror. Left front door. Light wobbles. Good private with one ding. Left rear door, light wobbles, good private. Left rear wheel, decent tyre, factory alloy mag, 17-inch rim. Left hand tail light. Right hand tail light. Right rear wheel, decent tyre, factory alloy mag, 17-inch rim. Right rear door, light wobbles, good private. Right front door, light wobbles, 3 dings, good private. Right hand mirror. Right front wheel, good tyres, factory alloy mag, 17-inch rim. Right hand headlight. We have our right front door trim, right front door master switch, center console, gear stick, heater controls, display unit, interior mirror, left sun visor, courtesy light, right sun visor. 3-spoke vinyl steering wheel with audio and cruise buttons, less airbag.